Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Home Remedies. In today's video, I am going to show you some tips which will help you to sanitize your bathroom and eliminate the foul odors from it. And trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Just watch the video till the end and find out more about this. How to clean your washing machine. Here's what you will need to do. Well, make sure you use hot water in order to fill the washing machine and add a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. You need to turn on the washing machine, start a short cycle, and let it rotate for a few minutes. After this, you can turn it off and let it stand for 1 hour. After some time, in order to get better results, you can start a longer cycle. How to clean your shower. You will need the following ingredients: apple cider vinegar, an empty plastic bag, and a rubber band. Here's what you need to do. You just have to pour 1 cup of ACV into the plastic bag, and by using the rubber band, make sure to secure the plastic bag to the shower head. It is very important that the shower head is completely submerged into the apple cider vinegar. Then let it stand for 1 hour. After this, you can rinse it off. This will make your shower head disinfected and shiny. How to clean your floor and tiles. Ladies, this method is very simple. You just have to mix 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid, quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide, and half cup of baking soda. Use this mixture to clean the floor tiles. How to clean your bathtub. Can I ask you a simple question? Did you know that you can clean the bathtub by a combination of sea salt and grapefruit? Yes, and it's very simple. First, you need to cut the grapefruit in 2 halves and use one of the half to dip it in the sea salt. For the best result, make sure to rub well, and trust me, you'll be amazed by the results. How to clean your sink. Here's what you need to do. You just have to mix lemon juice and potassium bitartrate in order to remove rust from the sink. Use a toothbrush to apply the mixture, then you can rinse it off. That's it. How to clean your toilet. Yes, and you should also know that you can disinfect your toilets and give them a sparkling look by combining lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and baking soda. Ladies, I really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. For more amazing recipes, of course, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.